This is a update and shorter version of the video I did just shy of 3 years ago when the download Facebook photo album feature was just launched. Once you have selected the Facebook photo album that you wish to download, for this I'm using, for example, me and wrestlers. You can download it very simply. On the right hand side of the title of the album, there are three tabs: Feature on Profile, Edit, and a Cogwheel tab. And it is that Cogwheel tab that we will use. Click on the Cogwheel tab, go down to the third option, which is Download Album, and click on it. It will then simply ask if you wish to continue, and if you do, click Continue. Once your album is ready to download, you should receive a notification, so click on the notification bell, which should bring up the notification submenu, and your album download should be at the top as your most recent notification, so simply click on that. It will then come up with options at the bottom of the screen: Open, Save, or Cancel. At this point you can save where the location is that you wish to save this folder to. If you wish to change the location, perhaps you have already preferred save location. If you wish to change it, next to the save option is an upwards arrow. Click on the upwards arrow to produce save as, and click on save as. Now you can decide where you wish to save it, and once you have decided, click save. Once the folder has downloaded to your computer, as you can see, it will have saved as a compressed or zipped folder. In order to access your photos in that particular album that you wish to download, you will simply need to extract them. So right click, choose the third option from the top, which is Extract All. Here you can also change the name and the save options, but to keep it simple, I'll just click on Extract because it will save in the same location. So if you click Extract, it will then extract your album and create a new open folder from that zip folder with the same name as that zipped folder. You will need to go into a couple of subfolders to get to your photographs, but there they all are, all ready to be edited, transferred, saved elsewhere, or used however you wish to use them.